Today, let's dive into the way that you fix the YouTube watch history problem. If your watch history inside of your YouTube account is not visible or is not being saved, let me quickly show you on how you can fix it. So from the app of YouTube, what you need to do is head over to the settings by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right, and then head over to the settings icon on the top right. Once you're inside of the settings menu, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the option called manage all history. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the first option which says saving your YouTube history. You need to make sure that this option is toggled on. If this is off for you, you can just tap on the turn on option right here, and also make sure that the YouTube history is also toggled on by tapping on the check mark. But once you do this step, you should be able to fix the watch history problem inside of YouTube. Now, if this is not the case for you, and if your option is turned on, what you can try out is try to clear the data and cache of the YouTube app. So tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to app info. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You can just tap on it and then tap on clear cache. Once you do these few steps, you should be now able to fix the issue of watch history inside of the YouTube platform. If this guide video was helpful, do let us know. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.